Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.